Down by the bay, where the watermelon raw, if you go home, just don't get caught, but if you do, your mother will say, never trust the man under the sand, down by the bay. When I go to sleep, book in my hand, know in my dream, I'll see her there, she isn't real, my parents lie, I know the truth, but I can never tell you where they will or cry. Down by the bay, where the watermelon raw, if you go home, just don't get caught, but if you do, our mother will say, don't run away, I'll keep you safe, down by the bay. My father's home, got me some shoes, out with the old, in with the new, he isn't real, my parents lie, I know the truth, but I can never tell you where they will or die. Down by the bay, where the watermelon raw, if you go home, just don't get caught, but if you do, my mother will say, you don't wanna know what's outside the window, down by the bay. But if you do, my mother will say, you don't wanna know what's outside the windows, down by the bay. It's all in the eyes, the reckless way we dream to die. Our past is our future, the present lies somewhere between our hearts and minds. For those with no future, we'll touch hands on the street, smile and keep moving on towards the heat. So keep this a secret, our rotten life, they are elephants, we are mice, we are mice. We'll walk this earth, somnambulant again, with broken hearts that cannot mend. Losers first and second men, we'll do our best to blend in. You could reach out for my hand, and I yours, to deliver water to soothe the burn. We'll drink our tears, That guitar
come from the mountains, Kentucky's my home, where the wild deer and the black bear so lately did roam. By the cool rushing waterfalls the wildflowers dream, and through every green valley there runs a clear stream. Now there's scenes of destruction on every hand, and there's only black waters run down through my land. Sad scenes of destruction on every hand. Black waters run down through the land. Well, the quail, she's a pretty bird, she sings a sweet tongue. In the roots of the tall timber she nests with her young. But the hillside explodes with the dynamite's roar, and voices of small birds will sound there no more. And the hillsides come a-sliding so awful and grand, flooding black waters rise over my land. Sad scenes of destruction on every hand. Black waters run down through the land. In the rising of the springtime we planted our corn. In the ending of the springtime we buried a son. In summer come a nice man, says everything's fine. My employer just requires a way to his mind. Then they tore down my mountain and covered my corn, and the grave on the hillside's a mile deeper down. And the man stands and talks with his hat in his hand, as the poisonous waters rise over my land. Sad scenes of destruction on every hand. Black waters run down through the land. Well, I ain't got no money, not much of a home. I own my own land, but my land's not my home. But if I had 10 million somewhere thereabouts, I would buy Perry County and I'd throw them all out. And down on the banks with my bait and my can, and just watch the clear waters run down through my land. Well, wouldn't that be like the old promised land? Black waters, no more in my land. Black waters, no more in my land.
Between the lines, I can see your face sometimes on the other side. Child, who invited you inside? Comfortable in all my time. careful who you trust.
This world is not meant for you. Run, boy, run. They're trying to catch you. Run, boy, run. Running is a victory. Run, boy, run. Beauty lies behind the hills. Run, boy, run. The sun will be guiding you. Run, boy, run. They're dying to stop you. Run, boy, run. This race is a prophecy. Run, boy, run. Break out from society. Always another day, hey, and you don't have to hide away, yeah. You'll be a man, boy, but for now it's time to run. It's time to run. This fight is a journey to run, boy, run. The secret inside of you. Run, boy, run. This race is a prophecy. Run, boy, run. And disappear in the trees. Always another day, hey, and you don't have to hide away, yeah. You'll be a man, boy, but for now it's time to run. It's time to run. Tomorrow is another day, hey, when the night fades away, yeah. You'll be a man, boy, but for now it's time to run. It's time to run.
I've murdered half the town, left you love notes on their headstones. I'll fill the graveyards until I have you. Moonlight walking, I smell your softness, carnivorous and lusting to track you down among the pines. I want you stuffed into my mouth, hold you down and tear you open, live inside you. Love, I'd never hurt you, but I'll grind against your bones until our marrows mix. I will eat you slowly. The horror of our love, never so much blood pulled through my veins. The horror of our love, never so much blood. in terror, blackbirds screaming, dark cathedrals spilling midnight on their altars. I'm your servant, my immortal, pale and perfect, such unholy heaving. The statues close their eyes, the room is changing. Break my skin and drain me. Ancient language, speak through fingers. The awful edges where you end and I begin. Inside your mouth I cannot see. There's catastrophe in everything I'm touching as I sweat and crush you. And I hold your beating chambers until they beat no more. You die like angels sing. The horror of our love. Never so much blood pulled through my veins. The horror of our love. Never so much love, nightgown flowing, your body blue and walking along the continental shelf. You are a dream among the sharks, beautiful and terrifying, lit and restless. We dance in dark suspension, and you bury me in the ocean floor beneath you, where they'll never hear us scream. The horror of our love. Never so much blood pulled through my veins. The horror of our love. Never so much.
calling out. Out of the shadows, come out of the shadows, out of the shadows, and straight into the light. Come out of the shadows, tomorrow will shine so bright. Home is close to you. Changes in the wind, blow away the blue, sweet surrender. Hope is all around, we're no longer lost. To the speed of sound, we're coming out, out. Out of the shadows, and straight into the light. Come out of the shadows, tomorrow we will shine so bright. Out of the shadows, and straight into the light. Come out of the shadows, tomorrow we will shine so bright. The shadows, the shadows, the shadows. To the speed of sound, we're coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out. Out of the shadows, and straight into the light. Come out of the shadows, tomorrow will shine so bright. Out of the shadows, and straight into the light. Come out of the shadows, tomorrow will shine so bright. We are out of the shadows. Coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out. My love, my fearless love, I will not say goodbye. Sea may rise, sky may fall, my love will never die. Go on, go bravely on into the blackest night. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I see your red door. I want it painted black. No colors anymore. I want them to turn black. I see the girls walk by dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. I see a line of colors and they're all painted black, with flowers and my love both never to come back. I see people turn their heads and quickly look away, like a newborn baby. It just happens every day. I look inside myself and see my heart is black. I see my red door. I must have it painted black. Maybe then I'll fade away and not have to face the facts. It's not easy facing up when your whole world is black. No more will my green seagull turn a deeper blue. I could not foresee this thing happening to you. If I look hard enough into the setting sun, my love will laugh with me before the morning comes. I wanna see it black as night, black as cold. See the sun, not lay down from the sky. I wanna see it painted. I see your red door and I want it painted black as cold. See the sun, no colors anymore. I want them to turn black. I wanna see it painted. I see the girls I dress black as summer clothes. See the sun, I have to turn it till my darkness I'm here to hold you. Will